Okay, got my cough medicine, and I'm about to go hang out and do my cough medicine and do an art piece for Dev. I don't know how this one's gonna turn out. I mean, it always turns out perfect, but like, I don't know. She's gonna want this art piece eventually. And so Taylor Swift and all that. But you know that's later. I got my Pepsi and orange juice. Oh, I made it perfect. I made it perfect. So, I love to trip balls and just drink Pepsi and orange juice, write and shit. I make videos and dance, if you guys haven't noticed that. But I'm just entertaining myself, honestly. I'm more obsessed with myself than any of you guys will ever be obsessed with me. Maybe. I don't know. Shit. This is like the last of my cigarettes, you know, like, I'm just gonna smoke it now, because I got ADHD, man, like, fuckers. Alright. Maybe they don't want to give me amphetamine because they know I do cough medicine. I don't fucking know. Like, honestly, I do better with both, you know, like, that's why I want both. Alcohol, I don't really drink alcohol too much anymore. It's really not good for you, you know. But I still drink it, you know, I don't care. I don't care if it's bad for me. I like to do it, you know. I'm getting sick of you old people telling me, it's like, hey, when you get older, man, you're gonna regret all the fucking drugs you did when you were, you know. Like, actually, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. Because I had a lot of fun. I still have fun. I don't mean to promote drug use. I know I do, you know, but actually, I'll tell you all to just be responsible with it, you know, and learn how to. Just learn how to take drugs, you know what I mean? Like, quit being like irresponsible with your drug use, you know. I'm not irresponsible at all. Like, I am taking doses that you would say are irresponsible, but like, you don't know me, you know. Yeah, I can't drug seeking. I can't give dosage advice now because I'm in. Oh, shivering. Fuck. I think I have though. I don't know. Actually, I haven't. Okay. Dev. I'm making this for Dev. You know, cough syrup. Just in a video. You know, it's gotta be important. You know what I mean? Think about it. You know. What am I doing? All you artists have put a lot of things in your videos. I don't even know if you realize like why you put them there, but you put them there for a reason. You know, part of it has to do with people like me who perceive that within your art and what we're thinking about. You know, who we are. You know, what I mean, 'cause you guys are like famous. You know, honestly, like I'm so happy I'm not famous right now. Like fuck, that shit must suck. You know. Really. I mean, it's gonna happen eventually. I mean, it's gonna happen, obviously. It's gonna happen. But, like, I don't want it to happen. I like being, like, incognito in this world, you know? Like, once everyone knows who I am, my stories aren't gonna be as good, you know? Well, maybe it'll be better. I don't fucking know. It's just, part of a creative worker in this world is that he uses the world around him to create. And, I mean, you just piece the mind puzzle, you know? That's what I want to do. Might open you up a little bit to the understanding of why this is happening, what's happening. Oh my god, I want to show you those boxes. I can't though. These motherfuckers started taking Coruscant off shelves. Oh fuck, I said it. Alright. I couldn't help that one. Goddamn entities. I like the generic versions actually. They're cheap, man. Like $5. Give me high for like a day. You know, now it's like name brand shit, and I just take that shit. You know? I mean, put it back on the shelves. Like, I'm gonna take it. You know, it's my medication. You know, Obamacare. It is not covering my medication. You know, and I'm upset about that. Obama, bad Obama. Oh fuck. All right, so I'm just gonna eat my cough medicine and start. Oh, I gotta start the piece of art here. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, I got a new color. Oh, wait. somehow I ended up with pink. I wonder why. Or bright red. No, that's pink. Oh, that's pink. Oh wait, this is supposedly pink. This looks pink. Red. Pink. Okay, now I got cool stuff for Dev because all my other art pieces are just these other colors. Oh hell yeah! I got some. Oh man, Dad, you're gonna love this art piece. Ah, fuck yeah, you're gonna love it. What is this? Oh, I got yellow too. Awesome, awesome. Okay, so this is me like realizing like how awesome this art. Oh, which oh, I'm doing over here. It doesn't fucking matter. All right. Okay. And, okay, let's find a piece of paper for that. You know, I got some of these art pieces are fucking. Oh, I love this art piece. I love this art piece. Oh, so the reason why this is so important is that's art piece, and I gotta find her. I gotta find her blank piece of paper, which I think there's blank piece of paper in here. I don't know. Maybe I'll take one of my old art pieces and add to it. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. She might really want this art piece, though. I don't know. This art piece I did, it's like, even though it's ripped, it's the only art piece I ever ripped. Creating art makes it worth more money. Okay. Oh wait, I think I might have found it. Just a little splash of green. Just a little splash of green. That's the beginning of her art piece. I mean, I could start with this one here, this other piece with a little smudge of I don't even know what color that is. All right, so she's getting green. She's getting green. Oh, I think this is a good one. I like this one. I like this one a lot. Oh shit. 666. Oh wait, maybe it's better if I do it with this one. I don't know. That's a better beginning to an art piece, actually. Maybe I'll do two. I'm do two. I gotta do two. Gotta do two for Dev. Obviously. Oh shit. Shit. Some of these art pieces are just so like horrible, but like they're like awesome. They're like so. Oh, I say horrible. They're fucking. Oh yeah, this one. This one's kind of horrible. I don't like this art piece I did. I don't like it, but I'm sure it's still very valuable. Oh yeah, this art piece. This art piece here. Showing the Jacob's ladder. Okay, and oh boy, I like this one. This one's not bad. Maybe I got two of those or something. Oh, and I got this fucking original writing that I did in Psych Ward, which, oh my god, is so good. It's fucking worth so much fucking money. Obviously, Mars worth money. Fucking Jesus, dude. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna set these aside. Set them over here, because I'm gonna lay in bed. When I dose Triple C, I need to lay there for like an hour or so. It actually sucks, you know? The first hour to 2 hours when you dose, it's I don't know. You guys are gonna figure it out eventually, obviously. But, okay. And, actually, I'm gonna set them right there. Yeah, that's enough of that. Yeah.